Respected chairperson, honorable audience, if there is one word that holds the weight of the universe, one soul that embodies heaven on earth, and one heart that beats not for itself but others, it is the heart of a mother. A mother is not just a person, she is a word within herself. She is the first touch of comfort, the first whisper of prayer, and the first light that guides our path in this dark and restless world. She does not sleep when we are sick. She does not eat until we are fed. She sacrifices silently, loves endlessly, and forgives even before we apologize. Ladies and gentlemen, a mother is the only being who will walk through fire just to keep her child warm. She is the prayer on our lips, the tear in our victory, the hug after every defeat. A mother's love is the fuel that enables a normal human being to do the impossible. When the world turns cold, it is her arms that remain warm. When hope is lost, it is her faith that keeps us going. Let us not forget. No crown is more majestic than the grey in a mother's hair. No palace is more sacred than the wrinkles on her palms. And no scripture teaches mercy like the eyes of a mother. To those who have their mothers with them, treasure her, listen to her, and serve her with all your heart. And to those whose mothers have returned to their Lord, know that her prayers still rise for you from the heavens, and her love echoes in every success you achieve. Dear mother, you are my silent strength, my living prayer, my forever blessing. To you, we all say, Mother, we salute your greatness. Thank you.